Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is a short, basic beginner lesson. In today's lesson, we will study how to ask someone's name. Easy. Let's get started. Welcome back. So, in today's lesson, we will learn how to ask someone's name and how to ask someone's name when you meet them once and forget their name. Most English students learn, "What is your name?" in their first English class. This isn't wrong, but native speakers almost never use this. It is very direct. Native speakers usually will use a more indirect way to ask someone's name. The easiest way is to introduce yourself. Like this. "Hi, I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." If you introduce yourself, the other person will almost always tell you their name. This little conversation looks like this. "Hi, I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." "Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you too." As you can see, we don't need to ask, "What's your name?" When you say your own name, it's usually best to keep this very simple. In everyday casual situations, you do not need to say your last name. Your last name is your family name. So, my name is Randy League. Randy is my first name, and League is my last name. Many students will say this. "Hi, my name is Randy League." Of course, this is not wrong, but it is a little more natural to say, "Hi, I'm Randy." Sometimes you meet a person, they tell you their name, but you quickly forget their name. This is okay. It happens to everybody. But how can you ask them their name again without sounding rude? Well, we can use this question. "I'm sorry, what was your name again?" This is a polite way to ask someone's name again. This looks very similar to "What's your name?" But there are 3 important differences. First, we are saying, "I'm sorry." We are apologizing for forgetting the person's name. Next, we are saying, "What was your name?" Here, we are changing is to the past tense was. Last, we are adding the word again to the end of the question. This is a way to tell the person that they already told you their name one time, but you forgot. Let's practice. "I'm sorry, what was your name again?" Okay, one more time. "I'm sorry, what was your name again?" Okay, today's homework is very easy. In the comments section below, please introduce yourself in one comment. Then, in another comment, respond to one person's introduction. So, you will write 2 comments. One like this. "Hi, I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." Or, "Hi, my name is Randy. Nice to meet you." Both are okay. Then, for the second comment, find someone in the comment section who is introducing themselves. For example, here, "Hi, I'm Jennifer." Respond to this person like this: "Nice to meet you. I'm Randy." Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button somewhere and subscribe to our channel. Again, somewhere around here. My name is Randy League, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.